going to bake Oreo cupcakes.
Here are some of the ingredients
That we need. First is Oreo cookies,
sugar,
some flour,
yeast,
milk,
butter,
and some oil.
and eggs.
We're going to break the egg and put it on a bowl. And we're going to mix it onto a bowl.
We are going to put 1.5 cups
Of sugar. And mix it onto the bowl with the eggs. Then we're gonna add half a cup of sugar and mix it onto the bowl. Then we're going to put 1 spoon of yeast.
We're gonna put 1 spoon of
Salt. Now we're going to put 2 cups of flour. And add it into the bowl. And mix it. Now we're going to break the Oreo cookies. After that, we put them on the cup. Keep adding Oreo cookies. After breaking all the Oreo cookies, you're going to put it on the bowl together with the eggs. And mix it. And mix it all together. After the Oreo, we're going to put half a cup of butter
without sugar.
and we're gonna add the butter to the bowl. We're going to add some butter so it doesn't stick. Add.
We're gonna add the ingredients, the mix.
And you put it on the stove for 20 minutes.
We're gonna take off the cupcakes off the stove.
After 20 minutes, this is what it looks like.
Going to put 2 cups of sugar. Now we're gonna mix it up. We're gonna put 4 spoons of milk. We're going to add Oreos into the bowl.
And we're going to put the cup on the top of the cupcakes. And that is the final result.
Calma, vamos fingir que nada aconteceu e a gente vai botar açúcar agora, porque vai editar. Vem mais pra perto, você tem que filmar aqui a xícara, assim, botar na xícara.
Anda,
Em cima,
anda
em
mais.
cima. Mais pra frente, anda. Agora, filma aqui em cima.
Filma de cima, assim.
Eu tô no meio do meu vídeo. Mãe, eu tô no meio do meu vídeo.
Que negócio chato de escutar.
Bateria fraca tá botando aqui, viu? No celular.
Aí vai pra batalha dos confeiteiros.
Eu não sei ligar.
Then you turn on the stove.
Qual é o forno?
Não é esse aqui não.
Não.
Pegou. Não estende. Não é com força não.
Eu com medo. Eu boto com minha mão assim.
Vá.
Que medo. Filma, Marco.